In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make shortcode of anything in WordPress. Shortcodes are an incredibly powerful feature that allow you to add dynamic content, embed media, or integrate third-party services into your WordPress site with just a few lines of code. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, mastering shortcodes can significantly enhance the functionality of your website. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process from logging in to saving your changes. So let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the login section. Click on it to proceed to the login options. Now, to make the process easier, select the option to continue with Google. This method simplifies the login process and saves you from the hassle of remembering yet another password. Once you've chosen that option, you'll see a list of your existing Google accounts. Simply select the account you want to use, and just like that, you'll be securely logged into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the WordPress homepage. From here, look for the dashboard view. In the dashboard, you'll find a section called Quick Links. Locate the Edit Site link within that section and click on it. This will take you directly into the editing interface for your website, saving you time and effort. Now that you're in the editing screen, you'll need to select the specific website you want to edit. If you manage multiple websites, make sure to click on the one you're working on. This will ensure you're making changes to the correct site. Next, look toward the top left corner of the screen where you'll see a plus icon. Click on this icon. It's the key to adding new content blocks to your web page. Once you click on it, a menu will appear with a variety of options for different content blocks. In the menu, you'll notice a search bar. Type the words shortcode into the search bar. This will filter the options and bring the shortcode block into view, making it easier to find. Once you see the shortcode block, click on it to add it to your website page. This block is where all the magic happens. It's your space for adding custom functionality to your site. Now, in the blank field of the shortcode block, type the specific shortcode you want to use. This could be anything from embedding a video to displaying dynamic content or even integrating a third-party service. The shortcode acts as a placeholder that performs specific functions when your page is viewed. After adding your shortcode, don't forget the final and most important step. Click on the Save button at the top right corner of the interface. This ensures that all your changes, including the new shortcode, are permanently applied to your site. Skipping this step means your changes won't be visible to your visitors, so it's crucial to save your work. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and use shortcodes in WordPress to add powerful functionality to your website. By following these steps, you can streamline your workflow and enhance your site's capabilities in no time. If there's a specific use case or shortcode you'd like me to cover in more detail, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.